Hey, what's going on? Tsai here. So in this video, I want to talk about how you can optimize your WordPress site page speed. So you may wonder, why do I have to optimize my page speed? Because nowadays, people have a really low attention span, which means if your website takes so long to load, they will not stay in your website, and it will actually reduce your potential revenue, right? Because it gives your user a better experience. Also, it's actually a potential ranking factor. Now, right now, Google don't rank your website based on your page speed, but in the future, it can become a really critical ranking factor. Another one is speed equals money, right? So you can see Amazon, they spend millions just to optimize their page speed because they know if the user experience is better, more people will stay on their site and they will make more money. So at the end of this video, I want to show you two plugins that can help you fix your website page speed. So stay tuned. So the first thing you want to optimize is your image, right? So image is the most easiest one to optimize, but there's so many people, they don't even optimize their image. So there are three things you have to do. The first one is you want to resize. So you don't want to put those giant image in your WordPress site. You want to resize it. Another one is compress, right? You don't want those high quality, like those poster quality images on your website, because people cannot tell the difference on the computer, right? Also, you want to implement lazy load mode, which means you don't want to load those images that people don't even see, right? You want to load the image at the right time. Like when people scroll to the image, it loads. So you don't have to load all the images at once. It will give your internet so much burden. Another one is you want to optimize your files. So it includes like HTML, like CSS, like JavaScript, right? So there are three things you want to do. You want to compress it. So you can see if you remove the space between each line, it's actually just increase the load speed. It reduces the file. Also, you want to remove unused code, right? So those are more technical, but don't worry, we will cover that later. Also, you want to combine files, which means if you have multiple files, you don't want your system to load it 2 times or 3 times. You want them to load at once. And plugins, right? Remove the unused plugins. Don't be greedy, right? You say, when I first started blogging, I like to create lots of features on my site. I say, okay, this is cool, this is cool. No, it will give your website so much burden. It can slow down the entire website, and it's a nightmare if you have a really slow website. So remove unused plugin and don't be greedy. And you want to optimize your database, which means you want to delete those spamming comment on your site. Then there comes to system. Now those are more techy things. If you don't understand that, it's totally okay. So you want to implement cache, which means you don't want to load the same resource over and over. Like as long as someone has cache on their computer, they just load their previous data. And you want to enable preload, which means you can load the information before people even get to the page. And you want to use CDN. You want to put those content to a faster server, right? So that's the thing. So if you feel overwhelmed, that's okay, right? Don't worry, right? Because there's a plugin I'm using personally, which called WBracket, and comes with this plugin. There's another one called Imagify. So you can go there. You can get this too by going to the link here. Also, you can click on the link below this video and to get this plugin. So I will show you how to use that. So as you can see, this plugin is WBracket. So it does many things. It can help you implement your cache. It can help you do the preload, and it can help you do some advanced stuff. And it also help you with the media optimization. Also about the file optimization, it can help you compress those files, right? And it can help you clean those spamming content. Also, it can help you set up your CDN if you want to. I personally I don't do that, but you can do this one. And comes with this plugin, there's another one. It's called Imagify. So when after you install WP Rocket, it will ask you if you want to install Imagify at the same time. So it's the same thing. So it will help you resize your image every time you upload to that. Also, it can help you compress the image. So basically, 99% of the thing I mentioned above is covered here. So what's the 1%? Well, it's the plugin part, which means you don't want to install so much unused plugin. If you think that plugin is not critical for your site, remove that, because it's better for your audience to have a better user experience than just put so much features. It's overwhelmed both your user and your website. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed that. I will see you soon in the next video.